Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create vector graphics and shapes on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the create button down below, which is the second option. Then scroll down until you find the shapes section and click on the create button. Now you should direct your phone to the object that you would like to capture, and here you can see this slide below the picture that you can adjust. Here you can see how it changes. So set it according to your preferences, and when you are done, click on the white button down below in order to capture. And then here you can edit the graphics. So you have three options or three categories at the top. You can refine it with the help of this brush and the slide down below. You can also crop the picture and smoothen. So tap on the on button to smoothen your picture. Here you can see the result. You need to wait a few seconds till it's done, and now you can click on the save button at the top of the page and then save it to your library. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.